Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to review another website, that is bloomsburies.com. So if you are interested to know about this website, watch the video till the end, as people from United States and United Kingdom are very curious to know about this website. And if you are one of them, you are supposed to watch the video so you may get the details regarding this website. It is actually an online store regarding home appliances and the latest gadget. It provides products at incredible discount and sale offers, and aims to be budget friendly portal across United States and United Kingdom. So it is actually has a high quality product to satisfy customer from all over the world. They provide products like multifunction rotating storage, 3D moonlight, earwax removal, cutting board with knife, laptop stand, cat climbing frame, basket rack, children's cheap bookshelf. So let's check out the specification of this website. It was registered on 9 June 2021. It is quite young domain, and its name is Bloomsbury's. They have home appliances and pet related products. The email address they have mentioned is matching the domain name, which is a good sign, but no proper physical address have been mentioned on the website. Moreover, no contact details are available. Payment method they have is PayPal, credit card, debit card, Amex accepted. So let's check out the advantages of buying from bloomsburies.com. As it is HTTPS protocol secured website, the website has provided sale and discount of 15 to 45%. They provide home as well as computer accessories and applications. The product shipping is done worldwide. The website has complete details and images of every product, and the website has email details that can assist customer further. The negative point of Bloomsbury is that the website does not engage any social media platform. Moreover, it does not have a SSL certificate, and it is recently launched website, and the only positive reviews found on each product, which point its accuracy. Return policy is not an easy task here. The customer service is not healthy, and no proper address found on official website. So question is that, is Bloomsbury worth investing? So we are going to check out some other parameters, so by then we will be able to decide either this is a legit or a scam store. As it's a very young website, it was registered on 9 June 2021. The trust rank is 1%, which is not a good sign, and it is unable to calculate rank because there are almost non-visitor on the website, and most of the content is copied, and many grammatical errors are there as well, so which is also a not good sign. And moreover, all policies details are well mentioned on the official website, but address is hidden from the customer, and unrealistic discount is available like 15 to 45% on every object. So as far as customer reviews are concerned, we have witnessed fake reviews and not tracking the products are complained by any visitor. So as the website has no customer opinion on any product, also as far as our research is concerned, we have found that the trust score is just 1%, and Alexa ranking seems very poor, as the domain is just for few days. We are unable to find customer review and social media presence of this store. So we will just conclude our discussion by saying that it is not a legit website, either it is maybe a fraudulent site. So we will just recommend our viewer just not to buy anything from this website, and buy the things you need from other legit stores, and stay safe from getting scammed from any website.